In the world of affiliate marketing, where countless products and services are promoted on a daily basis, it can be challenging to stand out from the crowd. As an affiliate marketer, your success depends on your ability to connect with your audience and build trust. And one key ingredient for establishing that trust is authenticity. Authenticity is crucial because it allows you to create genuine connections with your audience. It enables you to form relationships based on honesty and transparency, which ultimately leads to higher engagement and conversions. In this article, we will explore 4 powerful techniques that will help you establish authentic connections with your audience. Share personal stories. One of the most effective ways to connect with your audience is by sharing personal stories related to the product or service you are promoting. By opening up about your own experiences, whether they be successes or failures, you allow your audience to relate to you on a deeper level. For example, if you are promoting a fitness program, share how this program helped transform not only your physical health but also improved other aspects of your life such as confidence and overall well-being. By doing so, you show that you have personally benefited from the product and genuinely believe in its value. Be transparent about affiliations. Transparency is essential when it comes to building trust with your audience. Let them know upfront that you are an affiliate marketer and may receive compensation for any purchases made through your links or codes. Being transparent about affiliations demonstrates integrity and ensures that there are no hidden agendas behind the products or services being promoted. This openness fosters trust between you and your audience as they understand that every recommendation comes from an honest place rather than purely financial motivations. Provide honest reviews. When promoting products or services as an affiliate marketer, it's important always to provide honest reviews, even if they are not entirely positive. Your audience relies on your expertise and trusts your opinion, so it's crucial to be genuine in your assessments. If a product or service has shortcomings or limitations, don't shy away from mentioning them. By acknowledging both the pros and cons, you show that you are looking out for the best interests of your audience rather than simply pushing for sales. This level of honesty will earn their respect and loyalty. Engage with your audience. Building authentic connections requires active engagement with your audience. Take the time to respond to comments, emails, and messages promptly. Show genuine interest in their questions, concerns, or feedback. By actively engaging with your audience, you demonstrate that you value their opinions and care about their experiences with the products or services you promote. This interaction helps foster a sense of community around your brand and strengthens the bond between you and your followers. In conclusion, authenticity is paramount in affiliate marketing as it allows you to establish genuine connections with your audience based on trust and transparency. By sharing personal stories, being transparent about affiliations, providing honest reviews, and engaging actively with your audience, these powerful techniques will help build lasting relationships that lead to higher engagement levels and increased conversions. Remember, people connect with people who they perceive as real. Therefore, being authentic is not just an option but a necessity for success in affiliate marketing.